is quite similar. This is JamesTan style. Okay, now he used pelican. Pelicans look cerulean blue, but that's just. Okay, now we're going to sit there. I'm going to let him sitting here and then I just see how the color's nice. Can you imagine what you see yesterday and now? So those are the two important colors. Now, sorry, I only have give you 2 bottles yesterday. Alum. Now I have this for a very long time, so you can tell it's yellow.
Yeah.
originally.
So it's no more alum anymore.
Oh.
Is still some there?
When it's alum, it stays.
It stays.
It's permanent. You can make it permanent yourself at home with
Oh,
alum.
I thought I heard something that if you kept it long enough, the alum went away.
No, no, it's only other paper, non-absorbing. Oh, that's a very fragile. This type of paper, they crack.
That's where it fell apart when we were cleaning Kathy's studio. That's the paper that the minute we touched it, it crumpled and fell apart.
I don't like.
Okay.
The alum paper.
Now? Yeah.